Okay, now we're good. How's that? Here we go, Hendrik.
Yeah.
Right here, buddy. See this? Here we are. Hey, okay. And so you're kicking these things. You've been doing it 30 years.
Yes.
So
32 years.
32.
Yeah.
So you've built a brand.
Absolutely.
And did you guys know that Hendrik is an engineer, mechanical engineer? So we were out in the transport parking lot yesterday,
yeah,
and you were looking at some American car hauling equipment. We'll leave names out.
Want to run away.
He wants to run away. Well, the first thing that he caught that I thought, man, he really caught is, you know how I'm always in the transport parking lot and I'm always saying, you got to have some screws loose to do this, because this guy had a deck up and here's the ground. He's underneath there putting chains on it because he's going to make, and there's nothing to catch it. If something goes wrong, he's smashed into the ground. So anyway, I was talking to Hendrik. Hendrik actually puts in safety, what would you call that?
Yeah, they are like automatic lockers. Hydraulic lockers.
We're going to try. Hendrik's here to save lives, guys, okay? Just like us, but he's actually really saving your physical life.
Absolutely.
And it's funny, too, because you guys know me. I'm just crazy most of the time. Safety's like number 20 on my list. So riding around with this guy, safety's number 1. It's a really important thing. And it's really good to know that, to be honest with you, because I've always thought, man, what if something happens? You know, I've never had it happen, but God, I've heard stories.
Yeah, absolutely. And I mean, if you like lose cars by driving them on the highway, it's gonna be very dangerous for everybody. So that's
you don't want them to come off.
This is not only safety, you know, that it's safety.
We've seen
real reason.
We've seen those videos.
Yeah,
right.
Yeah, we've seen the videos.
Yeah.
So he's here, and we're going to. He's got some ideas beyond just making a better trailer that's safe. And so we've actually had some time yesterday to meet a couple. You guys know Hanny, first class here at America's wholesale guy. We actually had a chance to talk with him, and crazy, okay, because Hendrik's been telling me for probably 3 hours before we meet Hanny this idea as a concept. I'm like, what? I introduced him to Hanny. Hanny gets it in under 1 minute. So I don't know exactly. And Hendrik was doing backflips in the parking lot and rolling around in the hydraulic fluid, and it was like, whoa! It was crazy. So anyway, that's we've got a lot of good things that we're working on. That's why he's here picking our brains. We're the guys that are boots on the ground. We talk to a lot of people, and we want to see if we can make it work. And what's really been fun in the dialogue back and forth with Hendrik is how much we know based on our relationships with technology companies, auctions, car dealers, and carriers.
Yeah. I'm going to pull up, here's the KART Group website, right?
Yeah.
KARTgroup.com. I put it in the live chat, and feel free to check that out. And so what we're going to do next is we also have Repo Ryan is going to join the party. So let me get Repo Ryan in here too. We've got, you know how we like to roll on Tuesday. Well, it's not Tuesday, it's Friday. On Fridays, we like to have, we like to put together a party if we can.